So in the apartment tour video, I touched on this briefly, but I'm going to be spending the next 2 years in North Carolina pursuing my master's in genetic counseling. I mentioned that I'm going to continue making videos as I progress through my degree, and that's going to be in a couple of different ways. Now, while I was at Rutgers, I had the opportunity to work for the student affairs team, and through that I was able to create videos for Rutgers University, all sorts of stuff like interviews and highlights, all sorts of student affairs videos. So I'm super excited to announce that I'm going to be continuing to do similar work like that in North Carolina now. So I was fortunate enough to become a graduate assistant, so I basically am employed on campus while I pursue my degree, and the majority of my work will include shooting videos and photos around campus and publishing them. That's going to segue perfectly into the rest of this video. As you can see by the title, I got a MacBook Pro. I'm super excited and super thankful that the university had the resources to provide me this laptop so that I can do work on the go and use it as a tool for my job. So let's just open this up. I've never opened up one of these boxes, so I know there's a MacBook in there, but I don't know what else there is. So let's find out. All right, so here it is, MacBook Pro, 13-inch model. I think you can read that. It says MacBook Pro, trust me. All right, let's open this guy up. There it is. So having this is not just going to be great for schoolwork and the GA position and video editing and all of that, but the other laptop I used to have, the one I currently still have, yeah, that thing is on life support. I can't unplug it from the wall for more than 2 hours, and I gotta admit that thing did serve me very well for the years that I used it, and I think it's just time to move on from that. That being said, this is technically still owned by the university, so I'm going to have this access to this laptop for 1 year, and after that I'm planning on upgrading my own laptop to something that's more usable for the years to come. Once again, I'm super excited to get started with this position, and honestly I'm super thankful that I can practice my hobbies, like my main hobbies of video production, alongside my academics, and then still have it contribute in a meaningful way. So like, it's not always a linear path to where you're going, okay? You might not even know the destination that you're trying to reach sometimes, and the important thing really is to just enjoy every step of the journey and take it at your own pace, and just have fun with it, apply yourself, and don't hold anything back. As always, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel for more quality content, and we'll catch you in the next video.